While not terribly common, it does happen where a handle will fall off because the lock set screw gets loose over time. So this will simply slide right off or sometimes fall off. And it is an incredibly easy fix. On the side, you'll see an open hole, and that is where there is a screw that holds this handle into place. And you simply need an Allen, it's a specific Allen wrench that slides in there and grabs hold of the screw that is already in. And the screw actually, when you go to the right, which is righty-tighty, it comes out a little bit and holds this guy into place where you can't pull him off. If you go to the left, it actually loosens it and he can slide right off. So if he slides off on any of the handles in the apartment, all you need to do is tighten that lock set screw, and he's in place and he can't come off, and it works just fine.